Guys, welcome, SkyPilot here. I've had a couple of questions from a couple of people and the questions are the same. So I really had just one question. How the hell do you get this Me unit to hook up to your Tello easily? Because sometimes this thing can be a pain in the butt. This is the Xiaomi repeater Wi-Fi extender version 2. So what I'm going to do is a quick video today. Hopefully it's going to be quick. Hook it up to my Tello and GameSir T1D remote, and we're going to we're going to fly it with the new Tello FPV app, and hopefully all's going to be rosy. So let's crack on straight into it. Now I've already reset this, so if you have a new unit or you have an existing one that you need to reset and pair with a new device, I'm going to plug into my 20,000 milliamp power bank here. So what you're presented with is a flashing orange light. Okay, so you first of all need to reset this device. So what you do is, you see the little reset holy thingy there, so stick your pin in there, and that orange light will go from flashing to a solid orange. Takes about 6, 7, 8 seconds. Right, it'll disappear and now it's a solid orange. So once it goes solid, take your pin out, sit that down there, and it should start flashing again. What you need to do then is open up your Me app, log into your Me account, otherwise you won't be able to do anything with the Me app. And make sure you do have the correct Me app. This is the little green one with the little shield looking, MI home it should say. Now, really important, guys, make sure your Bluetooth's on, your Wi-Fi's on for this. Really important. This will not work unless you have your locations turned on. If you don't know how to turn your location on your Android device, go down to locations and make sure that is turned on. Mine's on high accuracy. It can be on power saving if you want, but if it's GPS only or off, more importantly, if it's off, this will not work. Simple as that. The Me Home app will not work. So my location's on, I'll hit my Me Home. So what I do is I go to add device, so I'll hit the plus sign there, and then I'll go, I won't add manually, I'm going to go devices nearby. So what this is going to do, it's going to pop up with your Me Wi-Fi repeater. So that's this unit here. I know it is because it's the only thing it can be. If it wasn't finding anything, there'd be nothing there. So you've got your Me Wi-Fi repeater, give that a push. I'm just going to reset the Tello back to factory. Just push the power button down for 10 seconds and we'll reset this back to factory. Wait for the light there to go red. Okay, so that's okay, so we reset the extender by long pressing the reset there. We'll turn on the Tello. We'll go plus, search for nearby devices, and it should come up with your Me Wi-Fi repeater just here. So you select that. Okay, so you want to connect to another router because that's a different router. You need to connect to the Tello, so you should get Tello AB that comes up. Okay, so once you've selected that, you can actually modify the password from here. So from here, I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is what the password is. Just in case it's not the password, I believe you can modify and do it that way. So anyway, so or delete the network. So we've selected Tello, we select next, and now we just sit and wait for this line to go all the way around here. This is a bit of messing around if your location isn't on. It's also a little bit hit and miss. I find one time will work, the next time it won't work. So it actually says bring it closer, so now it's connected and it's not, and it's doing this again, so just let it sit here and it'll end up with an error message. However, with that error message, that light there should go blue. As you can see, it's just turned blue. So even though it's doing this, let it sit, you'll get an error message, but the key to look for is the blue light. Okay, because what that means is, that means success. Okay, so disregard what the screen is saying. It'll just go through this. As you can see, I won't fast forward this, edit it. You just see in real time what's going on. It looks like it's doing something, and you're waiting for this to go connecting to device to network. So you're waiting to go, oh, connected, everyone's happy, go out and have some fun. But then you get this stupid message that says, bring device closer. It doesn't work, but I'll tell you what, it has worked because the blue light's on. If that was still flashing orange, it'd be a different story. So what you do from here is you bail. You bail out from here completely. Even though it says that you're disrupting it, I just exit completely out of the app altogether, and I clear it, and I start from fresh. Okay, so from here you can actually turn your Tello off. Leave the Me unit on if you want, doesn't really matter. So I'll turn the Tello back on again. I'll go into settings, into Wi-Fi. So what's going to pop up now is Tello AB720, and at the end of it you're going to have plus, PLUS. Okay, so you select that and you go connect. Our light's gone from orange, from blue to orange again, and now it's asking you to connect. The light's going to stay blue, as you can see. It's telling you, well, this is an Android thing telling you the internet doesn't work, which we know because it's a drone. So the most important bit you'll see is Tello AB7280 plus. So the plus means your Tello plus your Xomi Me repeater 2 is connected, so everyone's happy. We can bail out of that now. Open up your Tello FPV app. Check the screen up there. You'll see some other videos I've made with this app. I actually purchased this app. It's really cool. It's a cool app. It's got a new update on it with some bug fixes and stuff like that, which is cool as well. So she's connected now, and it's connected through the repeater. So what that's going to do is, I might as well hook up the Bluetooth while I'm here. What the repeater is going to do is it's going to feed information to your mobile device, the way of your pictures, etc., and also your range that your drone can actually fly to. It's going to improve that exponentially. So it's going to give you a really cool, crisp and sharp picture, which is what we're after, which is pretty cool. So it's as simple as that. Well, I wish it was simple, but it's not that simple, is it, guys? It can be quite complicated. However, we have done it. Success. While I'm here, quickly, to hook your GameSir remote up to the Tello FPV app, with the FPV app turned on and your Tello connected, turn on your GameSir, just switch it on. Overheated, shutting down. Oh, don't be like that. Yeah, it's shutting down. Oh, what a pain. I was going to hook up my Tello. So all you do is go to controller and you go to search for more controllers. Scan for new controllers, and it will find your GameSir, which it's already found, but it'll come up as GameSir, and then you go connect, and oh, Bob's your uncle, she's all connected. So check out my other videos, guys, for what this app does. One thing I made a mistake with before is this V here. So there's V and there's S. Oh, there you go, GameSir remote is actually connected. The S is for slow recording mode, the V is for sport mode. So have that on S when you're recording, because it'll make the footage really quite smooth and lovely. So that's in my previous video. So there you have it. Hopefully that was reasonably short. Bit of trial and error, but it's turned off now. But we'll pull that out, a quick demo, push it back in again. You won't need to do any more configuring. Once it's already done, it's done. So I'll bail out now. Go back into my Wi-Fi and you'll see the Tello AB Plus there. We'll select that, we'll go connect, and we'll see this light here go from flashing orange to blue, if my Tello doesn't overheat. See, it's gone blue, which means it's connected. It's giving me a message saying Yep, all's good in the world. You have reconnected and everything's wonderful, and there you have it. Yeah, the Mi extender connected to the Tello. I hope this made sense, guys. I did do a bit of messing around, which you might have seen before this video, but yeah, all in all, it's a reasonably straightforward process. However, I think my Tello's getting hot. It's a reasonably straightforward process. However, if you don't have your location on, and it's shutting down again. Okay, if you don't have your location on, this repeater won't work. So I think I've said enough. Let's go have a fly, shall we? Okay, questions, comments, awesome, no worries. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this has helped someone out there who's just bought this repeater to use with a Tello, which is a must, by the way. If you have a Tello, get a repeater. Once you've configured it, which can be a bit messy, as I said, you only need to do that once, and then it'll just connect straight away. Beautiful. Awesome. Hey. Bye for now.